Container gardening is simply the art of growing plants in containers instead of directly in the ground. Think pots, tubs, hanging baskets, even old sinks. It's a wonderfully versatile way to bring a touch of the outdoors to any space. Whether you have a small balcony, a patio, or just a sunny windowsill, you can enjoy the pleasures of gardening. Imagine stepping outside your door to a colorful display of herbs, vegetables, or flowers. With container gardening, you can create your own little green haven, no matter how limited your space may be. It's all about choosing the right plants for the conditions you can provide and using containers that suit your style and needs. From compact dwarf varieties to cascading climbers, there's a world of plants that thrive in containers. And the best part, you can move them around, follow the sun, create different arrangements, or simply bring them indoors during harsh weather. Container gardening gives you the flexibility to design and redesign your garden space as you please. For those of us living in urban environments, container gardening is a godsend. Traditional gardening can be a challenge when you're short on space, but with containers, even the smallest balcony can be transformed into a thriving garden. Imagine growing your own fresh herbs and vegetables just steps away from your kitchen. City living often means limited access to green spaces. Container gardening brings nature right to your doorstep. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee surrounded by the fragrant blooms of your favorite flowers. It's a wonderful way to de-stress and reconnect with nature, even in the heart of the city. But it's not just about aesthetics. Container gardens can also help combat the urban heat island effect, providing a cooling and refreshing oasis in the concrete jungle. And let's not forget the joy of growing your own food. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own salad greens or enjoying a tomato fresh off the vine. Let's face it, grocery bills can be a real drain on the budget. But what if I told you that container gardening can help you save money on your weekly shop? By growing your own vegetables, you can enjoy fresh homegrown produce without the supermarket markup. Think of it as an investment in your health and your wallet. Growing your own vegetables allows you to control the quality and freshness of your food. No more worrying about pesticides, herbicides, or long-distance transportation. You know exactly what's going into your food, and you can savor the flavor of truly fresh produce. Imagine the difference in taste between a supermarket tomato and one you've nurtured yourself, and the savings can really add up. Think about the cost of a packet of herbs versus a whole plant that keeps on giving, or the price of a punnet of strawberries compared to a container full of juicy, ripe berries. Container gardening empowers you to take control of your food budget and enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor. Now you might be thinking, gardening sounds great, but I don't have a green thumb. Fear not, my friends, container gardening is a fantastic way to dip your toes into the world of gardening, even if you're a complete beginner. There are plenty of easy-to-grow vegetables that thrive in containers. Let's start with salad greens. Lettuce, spinach, rocket. These leafy greens are incredibly easy to grow in containers and can provide you with fresh salad ingredients all season long. Just scatter the seeds in a pot of good quality potting mix, water regularly, and watch them grow. Next up, we have herbs. Basil, parsley, chives, mint. These culinary heroes are not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to grow in containers. Simply snip off what you need and they'll keep coming back for more. Imagine the aroma of fresh basil wafting through your kitchen as you cook. And let's not forget about cherry tomatoes. These little bursts of sunshine are a joy to grow and incredibly rewarding. Just pop a few plants in a large pot, provide them with some support, and watch them climb towards the sky. Before you know it, you'll be enjoying sweet, juicy cherry tomatoes straight from your own garden.